magic spell you cast. This is lovely rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see lovely rose. When you press me to your heart, I'm a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Every day word seems to turn into love songs. Give your heart to me, and life will always be loving.